Your dad was giving me lessons the other day. That's how bad I'm in it.
You look very well.
Which one of you guys got us? Unlucky guys. Who drew the short straw?
It's any of us.
Oh no? You're lucky.
You guys know the game better. Yeah, you guys do the game.
We should play a hawk game with shots.
Yeah, that sounds
That's
good.
a fair. What, should give you cookies here? We'll try one. That's a good one. There, Chase. There you go. That's a good ball there, Will. Jimmy, that you?
You cube?
Yep. Take it. Got it, Jimmy. Hey, that's free. Hey,
That's $40.
hey, that's 3 for 2. 3 for 2. Know what that is? That's $20. No holla. That's how you lose $20 with a dumb bet, Chase. Oh, good birdie, Chase.
Nice.
Woo! Tweet, tweet.
Strikes first. Thought it was in well?
That was it. Good putt. Oh, you don't like money. We cube. We cube.
Wait, who you got?
I got Will. We cube.
We don't take it.
All right, we win $5, Will. Hey, sir. Good birdie.
Cube.
We don't tell cube.
Thank you.
Rudy. Hold it. Let me go. Hold it. Beauty.
Oh, man.
Get up. That's gotta get up.
Good.
Get up. Get up. I'm thinking about going alone really seriously. But I'm going to wait until after you hit so that I can cube you then.
Go in the fucking hole.
Come on, go in. Get it. Yo, come on.
Woo! Go.
Uh-oh.
Great shot,
Yeah,
Jimmy.
great shot from here, bud.
That's a good enough. Man.
Turn.
Nice.
Woo!
Ding,
Good
ding,
putt.
ding, ding, ding. Sweet, sweet.
Number 5 of the day?
That's a great read, Will.
Thank you.
Like a little left right?
Will. Gotta park that one. That's my 6. 5? Cube. I didn't keep that. Hey Jim, you know something? I'm taking it. 'Cause I'm gonna make this and he's gonna miss this. Oh, he doesn't turn! Are you kidding me? Your ball went like this, Will. Yeah, this for 5? Knock it in. Good putt,
Yeah.
Jake. Woo! Twins, I can't get it there with this 7.
All right, we get another one.
No, I'm hitting the 7.
That makes sense.
I gotta feel like I'm gonna go after it a little bit.
I love it.
I'm gonna play it right. Hey! Hey!
Need a number.
Hey!
Get in.
Go in.
Hey, audience.
Bro, why would we take it? He's got a shot. I was hoping you cubed earlier so I could just pick it up and put it in. No, you. That was my fault. I had to get it to the top of that hill. Bring it down.
I knew you were saying. Yeah, then back
Flat
up
stick?
here.
Johnny Flat.
Johnny Flat stick.
Yeah,
I love
yep,
it.
yep.